In 1790, the first sewing machine of the world was born in England. And with the progress and development of the technology, the sewing equipment has begun to change the automation, intelligence, and humanization. Since 1980s, the production base of sewing equipment was transferred to China gradually, and China has become the world's largest producer of sewing machinery. There is an old idiom in China: clothing, food, shelter, travel. It means that clothing is the first thing in people's lives. With social development and progress, the personalized pursuit of human for clothing consumption improves constantly, together with the technical progress of intelligent manufacturing under the background of Industry 4.0. And all of the above shows unlimited future of Jack Company, which has been concentrating on sewing equipment industry. Jack Sewing Machine Corporation Limited was established in 2003 and located in the opening new type port city on Chinese Gold Coast, Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province. The company's sewing machine industry originated in 1955, and it is an international private high-tech enterprise which concentrated on research, development, production, and sales of sewing machinery. After operation and development of over 20 years, the company has become the industry-leading sewing machine manufacturer and one of the enterprises with largest scale of production and sales in the global sewing machine industry. Jack Corporation deems technical research and development as a core motivation to drive the development of the enterprise. And after exploration and practice for many years, a set of relatively perfect product development and management system has been formed. There are strong horizontal teams: PMT, Product Management Team; PDT, Product Development Team; and TDT, Technology Development Team. The unique decision checking point and the technical review of IPD make business risks and technical risks of product convergent effectively, which ensure market success and financial success of project. At the same time, the company continues to expand its key technical staffs and has established a research and development team with a considerable skill. The strong talent reserve promotes the development of enterprise, and at present, the company has more than 700 patents and becomes an enterprise with the largest number of innovation patent application in the global sewing industry for 2 consecutive years. As a key enterprise of industry, the company has participated in the development of a number of industrial standards and has won China Torch Program Key High-Tech Enterprise, 2015 State Intellectual Property Rights Advantage Enterprise, and other national and provincial innovation honors successfully. In 2009, Jack opened the beginning of overseas merger of private enterprise in Chinese sewing industry by acquiring Boomer, the international famous AutoCAD enterprise, and established collaborative research and development platform of Germany, Xi'an, Hangzhou, Taizhou, etc. linkage, which enhances the comprehensive competitiveness of the company further in the field of industrial sewing machines and AutoCAD. Over the years, Jack people always inherit and carry forward the enterprise spirit as harmony, honesty, struggle, rise, adhere to the core values as focus, concentration, simplicity, gratitude, and set up the home culture as harmony, trust, altruism, win-win. Adhering to the employment standard as promote the capable ones, remove the incapable ones. The company has established a scientific employment mechanism, adopting open competition and dynamic management simultaneously. The scientific talent management mechanism has built a stable management team, where the main members of the core management team have been in the company for over 10 years, laying a solid foundation for the steady development of the company. In addition, professional managers have become the main management of the company gradually, which makes a great improvement to the standardized operation level of the company. At the same time, Benefiting from the perfect quality management system, the company still maintains a steady development momentum when the market competition of sewing machine industry is quite fierce. In May 2015, the State Council issued the China Manufacturing 2025, and under this background, JAC Corporation continues to develop cost-effective new products which are intelligent, efficient, and energy-saving, and put forth effort to improve quality stability of products. In recent years, the company maintains a steady development and makes effort in the field of intelligent equipment gradually, which makes the gross profit margin of its main business maintain in the relatively high level. This fund raised by JAC Corporation is mainly used in intelligent and energy-saving industrial sewing machine project with an annual output of 1 million. Special Industrial Sewing Machine Technical Transformation Project with an annual output of 20,000. Permanent Magnet Servo Motor Technical Transformation Project with an annual output of 450,000. And Automatic Cutting Room Technical Transformation Project with an annual output of 300. When the raised projects are completed and put into production, it will accelerate the pace of intelligent manufacturing of JAC further, enhance the core competitiveness of the company's main business, expand the market share of products, improve the comprehensive strength of sewing equipment industry chain, and provide the surging motive power to realize the transformation from research and development driven to brand driven and build to end-to-end main business. In the future, the company will make seamless integration to intelligent sewing equipment and the application of industrial internet and Internet of Things with Bomer Intelligent Cutting Room to realize a complete set of intelligent, flexible manpower line solution from before sewing to in sewing, assist the supply-side structural reform of garment industry, improve the supply-side capacity of garment industry, realize fast delivery, quality improvement, and value improvement of the whole industrial chain from the consumer to the supply side of garment industry, which brings JAC itself transform and upgrade from intelligent sewing equipment manufacturer to manufacturing service provider. At the same time, we also believe that all shareholders will receive greater returns. Get something concisely from a broad reading. Act with restraint on the base of large accumulation. From made in China to created in China, JAC Corporation will stand out in the international sewing equipment industry and let intelligent manufacturing in China lead the world trend. JAC Corporation, the JAC dream of building top brand of global sewing equipment, is sure to come true.